Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting network access and backing up essentials so changes won't cause data loss. Once done, clear browser cache, cookies, and saved form data for all installed browsers. Make sure to record or export bookmarks and passwords now. Then uninstall any unfamiliar apps or recent installs from your system settings. That removes many ad carriers at source. You're moving fast. These steps reduce variables and let you confirm the pop-ups aren't triggered by synced settings or transient cache. Now take the complex middle steps. Run a full anti-malware scan and quarantine anything found. This targets adware processes that evade simple deletes. Next, inspect browser extensions and remove any you don't recognize, then reset homepage and search engine entries to defaults because hijackers often hide there. Once cleaned, install a reputable ad blocker and enable built-in pop-up blocking. These actions both remove persistent adware and prevent reinstallation through malicious redirects or compromised extensions. Finish by rebooting and reconnecting to the network, then test browsing in each browser to confirm pop-ups are gone. If you still see ads, open the host's file and router DNS to remove unauthorized entries and change router admin password. Some threats live on the network. Make sure to selectively restore files rather than apps, avoiding reinstallation of suspicious programs. If everything else fails, consider creating a fresh user profile or a clean OS reinstall as the definitive way to stop persistent pop-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.